Hello students, today I will start up with the topic Kingdom Monera, that is the first kingdom which we will study about under the chapter Kingdom Classification. So there are certain characteristics which are present in all the organisms which are present under Kingdom Monera. So first one is that all the organisms which are included in Kingdom Monera, they are the simplest ones. Then they are unicellular, means composed of a single cell, and they are prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic means that they do not have a well defined nucleus, but the DNA is there lying in the cytoplasm as it is, without any covering or without any nucleus. Then cell wall is also present in bacteria, but that cell wall is different from that of the plant cells. They can be autotrophic in nutrition, means that they can prepare their own food, for example in blue green algae, or they may be heterotrophic in nutrition, that they can obtain food from the other organisms. Examples include bacteria and cyanobacteria. In this we will study in detail about the bacteria. So bacteria, they are microscopic. We can only see them with the help of a microscope. They are single celled and they may be of different shapes. They can be of a rod shaped, of a comma shaped, of a spiral shape. And bacteria are the organisms which are found everywhere. You cannot see them, but they are everywhere. They are even inside your body. So some of them, they can cause disease and they are called as pathogens. If you see the structure of a bacteria which is there, you can see that the outermost is the capsule. So this capsule, it provides protection to bacteria, that it can go through even the harmful, or you can say a not so good environmental conditions. Then there is written nucleoid. There is no nucleus, but DNA is present in the cytoplasm in the form of a nucleoid. There may be presence of flagellum which will help bacteria to move. Then ribosomes are there which help for the protein synthesis. Now there are certain uses of bacteria, that is advantages of bacteria, and certain disadvantages of bacteria. If we talk about advantages, the bacteria, they are used in medicines. How in medicines? They are used in the form of antibiotics. Those antibiotics, they are produced by bacteria, and we take those medicines when we have diseases like typhoid, diphtheria, pneumonia, or tuberculosis. Then they are also used to make the serums. So serums, they also prevent us if we have certain bacterial infection, so they provide immunity to us. Then the vaccines which are given to us, they also have antibodies in them, and those antibodies have been prepared using the bacteria. Then in case of industry, you all have seen that when your mother, she makes the curd, so she puts up the older curd, a spoon or a little of the older curd in the milk, and a curd is formed the next day. So how is it happening? Because of the lactobacillus bacteria which divides, and it helps in the fermentation or curdling of the milk. Then cheese is also prepared by this bacteria. Vinegar, tea, leather is also tanned with the help of bacteria. Fibers are also made by the help of bacteria. Alcohol is also made by the help of bacteria. In agriculture also, bacteria help in the process of nitrogen fixation, because plants cannot directly obtain nitrogen from the air. So bacteria which is present in the soil near the roots, it has to fix the nitrogen, and then it is obtained or given to the plants for the use. So this process of conversion of ammonia from the soil to nitrates by bacteria, it is called as nitrification, and the process of conversion of nitrates from the waste into the nitrogen gas, that is called as denitrification. Now there are certain harmful bacteria also, the bacteria which cause diseases. Then certain bacteria, they also spoil our food if we have kept them for longer in outside environment, they get spoiled. Then certain bacteria can be used as bioweapons, that we are not fighting a war with the help of missiles or any other weapons, but we use bacteria instead. We introduce a bacteria in someone else country, and then that could make that could cause death of people, and that could be used as a bio weapon. Thank you.